Hi everyone, Carl here and I hope everyone is doing well. In this video I will be adding an epic line codpiece to my zombie pit fighter sculpt. This is obviously way over the top, but I figure pit fighter is kind of an entertainer, so outrageous clothing goes with the territory. I apologize in advance for the very poor quality footage and framing. Please bear with me, I will try to explain every step in detail. I started by adding a pretty large chunk of putty to the miniature's crotch and blended it in, giving it a general cone shape. At this stage it looks like the guy is both very gifted and very happy to see you, but that's okay, no one wears a codpiece for the sake of modesty. Next up I flattened the front of the cone. This will form the front of the lion's face. I also pressed two holes at the top to form the eyes, and used a series of small pokes to define the nose. Then I formed the bridge of the nose by pushing very gently on the two lines extending from the corners of the nose to the eyes. After this I took some time to smooth out and realign any bits that had been pushed out of shape. To shape the lion's lips, I pressed the two lines down at an angle right under the nose, and used a rounded tool to give them a better curve, then realigned again and reshaped the chin a little. To add the ears, I just blended in two small balls of milliput and gently pressed down the centers. And there you have it, a simple but epic line codpiece. The whole process took around 10 to 15 minutes in all, but it's fairly effective. If you enjoyed this content, please consider hitting the like button, subscribing and hitting the bell button. You might also want to take a look at my friend Earthman Brick's video, where he's building his own zombie in a slightly different way. I still have a bunch of footage to edit from this project, so I'll be back with more soon. In the meantime, thank you for watching and have a great day.